Hello traders, congratulations, you have patiently fought through all the theoretical parts of trading. In this section, we will try to put it all together and come up with a trading plan which you will follow. Entering into position is not difficult. The hardest part of trading is analyzing, testing, planning, and patiently waiting for the execution of a trade. A proper plan is important as it serves as a guideline. It is easy to fall off track and into emotional trading, which is dangerous not only for your psychology but also for your trading capital. The trading plan consists of the following parts: instruments or symbols, market sessions, market conditions, time frames, risk management, entry points, and exit points.